Welcome to this quick energy shield meditation. You're about to discover the most powerful 10 minutes of your day. This isn't just another meditation. This is an energetic boundary setting practice that will completely transform how you move through the world. But here's what most people get wrong about protection. Creating an energy shield isn't about blocking everything. I've guided thousands of empaths and sensitive people through this exact practice, and the results are immediate. One client described it as finally putting on energetic armor after walking around emotionally naked their entire life. In just 10 minutes, you'll learn how to create a customized energy shield that allows in the good while keeping the unwanted energies out. The missing piece that most sensitive people were never taught. This is energy sovereignty in action, and it begins right now. If you're watching this, you likely know what it feels like to be energetically drained. You walk into a room and immediately absorb everyone's emotions around you. A brief interaction with a stressed colleague leaves you feeling anxious for hours. Family gatherings end up requiring days of recovery. The fundamental problem is that most people were never taught how to manage their energetic boundaries. You were born with an extraordinary gift, the ability to sense and process energy at a profound level, but without the instruction manual. This creates 3 serious consequences. First, you become depleted from constantly processing everyone else's emotional, energetic state. Second, you struggle to distinguish between your own feelings and those you've absorbed from others. And third, this constant energetic intrusion makes it nearly impossible to maintain your own center and create from a place of clarity. Without consistent boundary practices, you're essentially walking through life with your skin inside out and carrying what was never yours to hold. For years, I thought my sensitivity was a weakness. I'd leave social events feeling completely drained. Shopping malls were totally overwhelming. Even watching the news could leave me feeling physically ill. I remember one particular conference I was attending where I was so excited to learn and connect, but by lunchtime on the first day, I was hiding in the bathroom, fighting tears and a migraine. I couldn't understand why everyone else seemed fine, while I felt like I was drowning in the collective energy. I chatted with a mentor about it, and she told me, "You're not broken. You're just missing a crucial skill, the ability to create and maintain energetic boundaries." She taught me a quick little simple shield meditation that I practiced that evening in my hotel room. The next day, I returned to the conference and had an entirely different experience. I could still feel the energy around me, but it no longer overwhelmed me. I could choose what I wanted to let in and what I didn't. That was my first experience with true energy sovereignty. Over the years, I've since refined this practice working with clients who face the same challenges. Today, I'm sharing the most effective version, one that works in just 10 minutes and can be done anywhere. Before we begin the meditation, let's quickly cover what makes this practice different. First, we're creating a permeable shield, not a wall. The goal isn't to block out all energy. That would cut you off from the beautiful connections and intuitive insights that your sensitivity brings. Instead, we're creating a filter that allows you to consciously choose what energies to engage with and which ones to not. Second, this shield is customizable. Throughout the meditation, I'll guide you to infuse your shield with specific intentions based on your unique needs. And third, this practice builds cumulative strength. While you feel immediate relief after just one session, daily practice for a week creates even more permanent boundary that requires less conscious maintenance. Now, find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for your body. This meditation works equally well with eyes open or closed, so choose what feels right for you. If you choose to leave your eyes open, simply soften your gaze. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale completely through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Now bring your awareness to the center of your body, the area around your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat. This is your energetic core, the source of your personal power. As you focus on the center, notice how it naturally begins to warm and expand. This is your own energy, not anyone else's, and it belongs completely to you. Now, with gentle curiosity, scan your energy field, the space extending about an arm's length around your physical body. Notice any areas that feel depleted or vulnerable. Perhaps there's a sensation of thinness around certain parts of your field, Or maybe you sense intrusions, places where others' energy has penetrated your space. There's no need to fix or judge anything right now. Simply observe. This awareness is the first step towards sovereignty. As you continue scanning, you might also notice areas of strength, parts of your field that already feel solid and well protected. Acknowledge these strengths. We'll build on them. Now, return to your heart center. Imagine a small sphere of light forming within your chest. This light is the essence of your true self, pure, powerful, and perfectly aligned with your highest good. Allow this light to begin expanding outward in all directions, front, back, sides, above, and below. Watch as it grows to encompass your entire physical body. Continue expanding this light until it forms a complete sphere around you, extending about an arm's length in all directions. This is the foundation of your energy shield. Notice the quality of this light. For some, it appears golden or white. Others might see it as blue, purple, or another color entirely. Trust whatever appears for you. Your intuition knows exactly what you need. As this shield takes form, affirm silently or aloud, "This is my sovereign space. Within this shield, I am completely myself." Now, let's customize your shield for your specific needs. If you tend to absorb others' emotions, imagine your shield becoming selectively permeable. Visualize small filters forming within the surface of your shield, filters that allow love, joy, and positive connection to flow freely, while blocking heaviness, anxiety, and energetic intrusion. Affirm, "My shield allows in only what serves my highest good. All else is transmuted and redirected." If you struggle with energy leeches or difficult relationships, strengthen the resilience of your shield. Imagine it becoming more reflective, gently bouncing back any energy that isn't offered with love. Affirm, "Energy sent without love is returned to sender with compassion. My boundaries are clear and respected." If you're preparing for a challenging environment, infuse your shield with specific protection. Imagine symbols, colors, or even words that represent strength to you, embedding themselves within your shield's surface. Affirm, "I move through all environments while maintaining my energetic sovereignty." I move through all environments while maintaining my energetic integrity. Take a moment to now add any final customizations that feel right for you in your unique situation. Now that your shield is formed and customized, it's time to activate and seal it. Bring your awareness once again to your heart center, the source of your shield's power. From this center, send a pulse of intention through your entire shield, activating it fully. As this pulse reaches the outer edges of your shield, imagine it creating a seal, like a zipper closing or a lock clicking into place. This seal ensures your shield remains intact as you move throughout your day. Affirm, "My shield is now active and sealed. It moves with me effortlessly, requiring no conscious maintenance. Take a moment to feel the difference in your energy field now, the space around you. Notice the sense of containment, the clarity of knowing where you end and the world begins. This is the feeling of energetic sovereignty. As we prepare to close this meditation, let's set the intention for how this shield will serve you in practical ways. Envision yourself moving through your day, interacting with others, navigating environments that may be challenging, engaging with work or family responsibilities. See your shield remaining fully intact, flexible, yet strong. When you encounter someone whose energy feels overwhelming, visualize your shield automatically adjusting, perhaps becoming slightly more reflective in their direction, while remaining open elsewhere. If you notice yourself beginning to absorb others' emotions, see your shield's filters activating, transforming that energy before it can affect you. Remember that maintaining your shield doesn't mean disconnecting. In fact, with clear boundaries, you can connect more authentically because you're engaging from a choice rather than an obligation. Affirm, with my energy shield in place, I remain sovereign while still connecting deeply with others. This is the balance of true empowerment. This 10-minute practice is your foundation for your energetic sovereignty. As you complete, gently blink your eyes open if they were closed, or simply refocus your gaze. This 10-minute practice is your foundation for energy sovereignty, but let me share how to maximize its effectiveness in your daily life. First, consistency matters more than duration. Even 3 minutes of shield reinforcement each morning creates cumulative protection. Second, create environmental triggers for quick shield reinforcement. For example, every time you wash your hands, use those 20 or 30 seconds to visualize your shield strengthening. Before entering meetings or social gatherings, take 3 deep breaths to quickly reinforce your shield. And third, notice when your shield needs maintenance. Signs include feeling suddenly drained, emotionally reactive, or confused about whose feelings you're experiencing. These are your cues to step away briefly and reset your boundaries. Remember, this isn't about blocking connection. It's about ensuring that when you do connect, you're doing so from a place of choice and sovereignty rather than unconscious absorption. You now have a powerful tool for maintaining your energetic boundaries, one that works in just 10 minutes and creates lasting protection. This shield practice is the foundation of energy sovereignty, the ability to remain centered in your own energy while engaging fully with the world around you. Remember, your sensitivity is a gift, not a burden, but only when you have the tools to manage it effectively. Your energy is precious. Protect it accordingly.